visions, but that picture saw the world, affected all your decisions. But it wasn't your fault, wasn't in your intentions. You're the one here talking to me, you're the one listening.
Hey guys, my name's Brittany. If you're new swinging through, then welcome. If you're already a supporter of mine, then thank you so much. You guys know I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Today we are doing a Influenster slash FabFitFun unboxing. Yeah, it's a so I have the Influenster box right here. It says it's yours, share it with the world. This is a collab with Miss Bossladylexi, and she will be unboxing the FabFitFun box. Make sure you go check out her video. I'll leave her channel down in the description below. So without further ado, we will get right into this video. I don't even know which box this is that they sent, so let's just open it up. I always have a hard time opening boxes. How are y'all doing today? Are you having a good day? It tells you what to do here, like to unbox it, share it, all that jazz there. And we're going to open it up. Oh, this is the Beauty Prep Vox box. So that's really nice. I love stuff like this. On the back of the card, it says we got some lashes in here, some hair stuff, some Elizabeth Arden, and Patchology. Everything's right there on the back of the card. And it's just like this still in there. So, oh wow, this is nice. The first thing that I received, are these Velour lashes. You guys know that I live for a good lash, and I actually love lashes like this. So that's going to be real nice to try. It's the xoxo Mink lashes. And yeah, it's one pair of Mink lashes. So this will be my first time trying Mink lashes. The lashes that I'm wearing today are the Cocoa lashes in the style 9 to 5. So yeah, that's that. The second thing is an Elizabeth Arden spray, a perfume spray. Wow, that's really nice. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can smell it. This is huge. It's like really big, guys. It's like bigger than my hand. You see that? It's bigger than my hand. If you're on Influenster, let me know. Oh, wow. This is really nice. So it comes in this, and this is the perfume spray. It's called My Fifth Avenue. And let's just spray it one time and see. Oh, wow. That smells really good. Wow. That's like date night. Like, yeah, save this for date night, ladies. If you get this one and you're Influencer, save this for date night. Or if you want to go buy it, definitely go buy it. It smells so good. Okay, so if you work at like a doctor's office, I don't recommend it if you work at a doctor's office, but definitely a date night, birthday. If you're going somewhere nice and fancy, I do recommend that perfume. And what's this? This says Velour. Oh, is this a glue maybe? Oh, okay, so they also included the glue for the Mink lashes, which is perfect because I'm running out of my duo. So they give you the Velour glue for your Velour lashes, so that's perfect. And again, guys, if you don't know what Influencer is, let me just break it down for you really quick. Influencer is basically where you receive products for your honest review. You do, what is it called, like reviews? Yeah, you do like reviews on the website, a review for everything that you've ever tried basically, and it could be for like trips, airplane lines, clothes, definitely food is one, dog treats is one for your animals, all of that, and makeup. I start talking about animals and really? Okay, I have guinea pigs, guys. I have little baby pet guinea pigs. If you didn't know, now you know. They're going to keep talking right now. I guess they're happy, so let's let them just chit-chat down there. I'm not going to edit this out. But yeah, so you just do product reviews, and then eventually they'll start sending you stuff so that you can review it on your channel, or you can review it on like your Instagram and Twitter, all of that. So let's see what else we have. We also have some hair repair right here by the brand called Avita. I never heard of them, so it's really good. I like getting new products that I've never used before because it's good to try that out. And we have some cards here. What is this? Oh, wow. They also included this. It's called the Breakout Box, and it's for acne treatment here. So this is, oh my gosh. Let me get it. So it also included these packets here for the Breakout Box. It looks like it's a 5 and, I'm sorry, it's not a 5. It's a 3-in-1 acne treatment kit. So that's really nice that they include that too. So yeah, that's everything that we received for this month's Influencer box. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you also go check out Miss Bossladylexi video. Hers will be on the FabFitFun box, and we'll leave that in the description down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye guys!